Hello, what is your name?
My name is Lily Zakinya Gatchalian.
How old are you?
I am 39 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes.
Okay, how many kids you have?
One,
How old are they?
11 years old,
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 2 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
Philippines,
Okay, so how many years there?
2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
1 and 2 months.
1 year, 2 months. Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Lucas Park,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,700 square feet.
How many family member there?
4,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
16 years old and 1 year and 6 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, prepare food for the baby, and doing household chores. In the evening, I prepare food for the dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
6 o'clock,
Okay, so what time they eat?
7,
So what time you go to bed?
around 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.